Hello students, today will we discuss about reading passage. ओके हमारा टॉपिक है रीडिंग पैसेज। इसमें दो तरीके के टेक्स्ट होते हैं, एक नैरेटिव टेक्स्ट और परसुएसिव टेक्स्ट। देखिए रीडिंग क्या है, एक इम्पोर्टेंट स्किल है that needs to be developed in children not only for survival in the world or for schools and later on in universities but in adult life as well. Reading skills are critical for the development of children and numerous researches have shown a link between competency in reading and overall attainment. Futurologists used to predict the death of printed word, but ironically, the internet has made reading more and more part of people's daily lives. The paperless society is a myth. The computer's ability to process and analyze data means that endless variations on reports and other types of documents can be and are being generated. The internet itself is an enormous source of information and recreation. It is based on the humble written word. In order to effectively utilize the web and judge the authenticity and value of what is found there, both the reading and critical thinking skills are of prime importance. The educational researchers have always found a strong correlation between reading and vocabulary knowledge. It is not surprising that students who have large vocabulary are usually good readers. This is not surprising because the best way to acquire a large vocabulary is to read extensively. The graphic below illustrates the independence of vocabulary, reading ability, and academic सक्सेस के पैसेज को कैसे रीड किया जाता है। सबसे पहले इसके कुछ स्टेप्स हैं। हम फर्स्ट स्टेप पढ़ेंगे, रीड द टाइटल। क्या करना है, टाइटल को रीड करना है एंड द इटैलिसाइज्ड और इंट्रोडक्शन इंफॉर्मेशन। यू विल यूजली फाइंड एन आंसर टू वन ऑफ द मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस आर के मल्टीपल जो चॉइस क्वेश्चंस दे रखे हैं उनके हमें आंसर को फाइंड करना है। नेक्स्ट स्टेप 2, रीड द क्वेश्चंस नॉट द आंसर्स। हमें क्या करना है स्टेप 2 में, सबसे पहले क्वेश्चंस को रीड करना है, ना कि आंसर्स। रीड ऑल 4 ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चंस। फिर उसके बाद जो 4 ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चंस होते हैं उन सबको रीड करना है। स्टेप 3 में रीड द एंटायर पैसेज, डोंट बी लेजी। ओके, आपको क्या करना है, पैसेज को एंटायर करना है, ना कि लेजी बनना है। मार्क, अंडरलाइन करना है, स्टार एक्सेट्रा। की पीसेज ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड पॉसिबल आंसर्स टू द क्वेश्चंस। नेक्स्ट है 4 स्टेप, रीड एनी फुटनोट्स and notes, charts and any other visuals included। यानी सब चीज़ जो या तो फुट नोट्स को रीड करना है, नोट्स को, चार्ट्स को, यानी कोई भी अदर विजुअल उसमें इंक्लूड है उस सबको आपको क्या करना है, रीड करना है। ओके, Why supporting children to read in their leisure time at all ages help to ensure that children are equipped with the necessary skills to succeed in life. Okay. The National Endowment for the Arts stated that leisure reading makes the students more articulate, develops high order reasoning, and promotes critical thinking. Once the children have mastered the ability to read, they will be able to have access to a wider breadth of language that they can use in their oral and written communications. As children read, they would need to process information about character, themes, plot, decode words. All of these would help them to develop their comprehension skills. Reading is a fundamental to function in everyday's life. Day-to-day activities that most people take for granted become a source of frustration, anger, and fear. From reading instructions on the medicine bottle to reading a notice from the child's school requires good reading skills. ये रीडिंग जो है वो क्या करता है, डेवलप द माइंड को डेवलप करता है इसको पढ़ने से. रीडिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स टू डेवलप द माइंड साइंटिफिकली. माइंड इज मसल एंड नीड regular exercise. Reading is also a part of mental exercise. Further, is also help to develop the language skill. An important function of the language instructor is to show students how they can adjust their reading behavior to deal with variety of situations, type of input and reading purpose. The instructor should develop a set of reading strategy and match appropriate strategy to each reading situation. The strategy that can help the students to read quickly and effectively are: review the titles, sections, headings, photo captions and capture a sense of the structure and content of the selected reading. Using knowledge of the subject matter to make prediction about content and vocabulary and check comprehension. Using prior knowledge of the subject and the ideas in the text as clues for the meaning of the unknown words rather than stopping to look them up. Stopping at the end of the sections to check the comprehension while restating the information and ideas in the text. Comprehension is the essential higher level skill of actually understanding the material being read. It is obvious that comprehension is the goal of proficient reading can help students to develop critical comprehension skills with various directions, instruments, strategy. Most activities that develop the comprehension skills can be effectively applied as a part of guide reading. Figure out the purpose of reading. Try to activate the background knowledge to the topic in order to predict or anticipate content and identify appropriate reading strategy. Attend to the parts of the text that are relevant to identified purpose and ignore the rest. These selections would enable the students to focus on specific terms and items in the input and reduce the amount of information they have to hold in short-term memory. Select the strategy that are appropriate reading tasks and use them flexibly and interactively. Check comprehension while reading, and when the reading task is completed, the monitoring of the comprehension helps the students to detect inconsistencies, and comprehension failure also helps them to use alternate strategy. Spending something with children every day, telling stories and reading together make it an enjoyable moment while selecting book that is enjoyed by all. Reading provides children with endless hours of fun and entertainment. Small as well as being children should be provided with plenty of reading materials that they would enjoy and even discuss sample everything traditional printed books and internet classics novels for children both small and grown ups. Reading is one of the vital skills children need to develop from a very early age, being an important source of knowledge and pleasure. This habit should last a lifetime. This skill need to be nurtured that would later develop other qualities in life. Creative writing skill good in academic and extracurricular activities. Reading should be viewed as a pleasure activity, as a source of entertainment and useful for getting factual information. Read as you walk down the street or around the shops. Point out signs and words, talk and discuss about them down the way. The ebooks can be way for children to improve their fine motor skills and their hand-eye coordination while checking around a child-friendly website or when they check the backward and forward buttons of online storage. Okay. Thank you for watching.